the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Our SPID Skycam is showing the fog is rolling in, and that's the warm, moist air moving over those cool shelf waters out there, and that's going to be a prevalent problem for us for the next several weeks. It's been a problem, and it's going to continue because of all that cold air we had last week, where we had 3 nights in a row in the 30s. Right now, our WeatherBug camera is showing the same thing. Our First Community Bank WeatherBug camera is showing lots of fog along the coast. 72 degrees right now. The dew point temperature is 69, 91% humidity, east winds at 16, visibility down to 6 miles at the bayfront, but 1 mile over in Port Aransas. So it's going to get worse and then spread inland gradually. As you can see on the future tracker here, visibilities will decrease throughout the area to about a mile around 4 a.m. It's not going to be as bad as last night, but it's certainly worth noting as it's tough to drive in the fog, and it just limits your visibility. Make sure you allow some extra time to get to your destination in the morning. So dense fog again tonight, limited visibility, but not as bad as last night. Winds kick up tomorrow, and so tomorrow night the fog won't be near as bad as tonight. And on into Wednesday, we'll see wind gusts of 40 miles an hour here tomorrow evening. And there'll be a few showers here with a weak frontal system coming through on Wednesday. Severe weather stays well north of us. We will not participate in that. The front on Thursday cools us off into the 60s for highs, and we're actually going to see 40s for lows. Temperatures look like this now. We're in the 70s area-wide except near the water at Port Aransas. Short-term forecast for this evening keeps us in the low 70s all the way up through 4 a.m. with a moderate east to southeast breeze and the fog. Lows overnight, we won't go much lower at 69 degrees, 71 in Alice, so similar readings throughout the entire coastal bend. Satellite and radar shows stationary front to the north, pulling north. Again, we have some breaks in the overcast. We'll see a little bit of sun tomorrow afternoon like we had today, but clouds dominate. Out here to the west where they really dominate, there'll be showers and thunderstorms developing in West Texas tomorrow, and because of that, and this area of low pressure kicking out, that's going to increase the winds. So this is the front on Wednesday. This is the front on Thursday that will bring in the colder air for March. Around this upper level low, you can see the water vapor imagery. Here's the strongest part of the jet stream in yellow. That's where the severe weather will be located, because that's where the most lift is in the atmosphere. You lift the air, that you build up these big thunderstorms, and this is primarily where they're going to occur. And our weather will respond to that here in the form of higher winds that, again, will be gusting to 40 miles an hour tomorrow evening and on into Wednesday morning ahead of the front. So the future tracker shows warm and humid, becoming windy tomorrow. No significant rainfall at all. See a couple showers just out ahead of that front at 1:30 on Wednesday afternoon. That's our opportunity right there to go to the beach late Wednesday afternoon, as the sun will be out and the winds will lay. And then this secondary front will produce another little line of showers here on Thursday morning before the cooler air arrives in the coastal bend. Let's take a look at it up close on this particular future tracker. Again, lots of clouds here tomorrow. And again, you'll see one line of showers about 2 o'clock on Wednesday afternoon, nothing severe. That pushes through, clouds come back, and then that second little line comes in on Thursday morning. So 2 fronts in the next 7 days. Here is a look at your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. Lots happening, 69 and 81, windy tomorrow into Wednesday morning. Front number 1, behind it 87. Again, a window of opportunity for good beach weather Wednesday afternoon. Thursday 76, then cooler on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All 3 days only in the 60s, and low temperatures dropping into the 40s. And for the first time, Katia and Lee.